Is one very interesting channel. I will show you the channel description. Its name is Dharam Dawa. Okay, so mm, now let's go to channel. Now he is explaining you the word dawa and the word dai, but the explanation concept what he is explaining is from the people who are making the Arabic language or Quran as their point of pride. Now let me explain you the religion book, the scripture book are not the point of pride. It is the point of justice or doctrine of justice or instruction of justice. Now the word this man explained the word dawa means this is our brother who is explaining the word dawa and dai. So he is explaining according to the people, the scholar of that. They claim they are scholar of that religion means that Arabic Quran, but they are means they are hiding the message and they are utilizing this religion as their own tool of pride. So this religion is not the tool of the pride, it is the rule of doing justice. The word dawa, the person who is involved in establishing justice, performing justice, practicing justice are called dawa. Means dawa is the word is a challenge, means the meaning is challenge. Challenge in what sense? Challenge in doing justice. As example, I just like to give one example. As example, uh, our forefather is one, and in Sanskrit their name is Shankar and Parvati, and in Arabic the name is Adam and Hawa. So now they are the one father and mother of whole humanity. So this earth belongs to each and everybody. So whatever the properties, whatever the minerals are extracting from the earth, from the sky or from down of the earth, they belongs to all humanity because humanity is one and same. But few people intelligently they have divided the earth and they say that this portion belong to us, this portion belong to you, and they have made all means like wrong things to other people, other earth people means other portion of earth people. So now here is the problem. So they have created it. So the one person comes with the challenge and he says that no, we are from one father and mother. So we belong to means this property belong to all humanity. So we must not fight. So this is what called dawa. So he is performing justice, he is explaining justice, he is prevailing justice, he is implementing justice, he is establishing justice, and he is practicing justice. That is called dawa. That is called what Muslim means. So now let's listen to him once so you will understand how it is. Now, what is explaining that uh, means to know or to prevail Islam, the person who is struggling, that is called dawa. No. Means the Islam is already prevailed. Everything belong to Islam. Means Islam means the submission to God. Everything is already submitted to God. Everything is practiced. Means everything is aligned with the order following for the God. But as a human are only the one nation which is not sublime or not obliged to God. Means they are not obeyed to God. So the person means they are doing injustice. So now here is the point. If they are doing injustice, then our Shastra are there like Bhagavad Gita, Veda, Puranas, Upanishad, then Bible, New Testament, Old Testament, Gospel, then Quran. Quran is the concluding book of all scriptures. So the Quran says, no, this land belongs to all humanity because all humanity is born from one father and mother. In Sanskrit, it is called Shankar and Parvati. In Arabic, it is called Adam and Hawa. In English, it is also called Adam and Hawa. So, here is the point he raised that no, you are doing injustice. So, please stop. This is what it is called dawa. And the person who practices the dawa is called Muslim. Means Muslim is not it's definitely it's an Arabic language word, but the meaning is universal. Means the person who follow the law, the person who establish the law, the person who implement the law, person who perform the law and practice the law, it is called, means submitted to the law, is called in Arabic, it is called Muslim. And same way if you go to language Sanskrit, it is called Brahman. And same way if you go to other language, it is called believer. So I hope I have explained you the universal message of the Arabic transcript religion. So this is a universal message. So don't confuse with the people who are making this message as a pride of their life. So this is not as a pride of the life. It is a practicing, performing, implementing, establishing law for justice. So my dear brother and sister, if you have any questions or any related issues or doubt, so please come to our channel, follow our channel, and please be with us tan man dhan.